Hello everyone. I just want to show you guys quickly about the home screen setting. You can customize the home screen the way you like it to be. So there are a couple of options that you are allowed to customize in this tablet. So by the way, as you guys can see here, I am using the tablet as the camera itself. So it is screen recording. I'm not using any other external camera, and therefore the voice that you guys are hearing is being picked up by the tablet's microphone itself. So whether it's good or not, it would depend on this microphone. So you guys can basically listen and feel for yourself of how the microphone of this tablet would sound if you guys actually get this tablet. Or well, also it would depend also on your speaker of on the speaker of the device that you guys are using to watch this video. So if you guys are using a device that has somewhat a good speaker, then the accuracy of this microphone, it would depend on those things too, um, it is another factor to consider. So today I just want to show you this option here that we have here. It's the home settings. They call it home settings. So when you guys click on it, so hold on, to get into the home settings, you gotta press anywhere on the home screen, and then it will bring this up. The home setting, you have the first thing, they call it the left one screen. So when you turn it on, what it enables is this home screen right here. So um, if it's off, this screen, it wouldn't be here. There wouldn't be this page. So this page would only be turned on once you guys turn on that um, button that's in the home settings. So what we got here is basically some stuff. I actually turned off so many things, so many features that they give because it's not really useful in my country. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna turn all of them back on so that you guys can see. So right here we got security, screen time, weather, today's course. So you can set what you guys are studying today, etc. And then they say we have local news. It's all written in Chinese. Unfortunately, I do not understand any Chinese. Quick function, and these functions that the quote unquote functions that they have here, we would need to install or download other apps from from the Play Store or from the Lenovo store. They have a Lenovo store that you guys can download apps also. So when you guys, for example, it says scan QR. When you click on it, the app that they would use for scanning QR has not been installed yet. What is that app? It says it is Alipay. So Alipay is the app that they would use to scan. So it's like the app, from what I understand, Alipay, they also functions as something to like paying when you need to pay something. I think it's like PayPal, I think, but I'm not very sure with that. So there are some apps that I don't want to install, and which turns out to be most of the apps that they want us to install in order for this page here to work. So I don't think it is a good, um, I would say, widget or good place or good page for me. That's important. That's advantageous for me at all because it don't seem to give me any other advantage. I mean, I can't read Chinese, and there are so many other things that I can't use. For example, it says bind phone. It say enter the phone number, etc., and which are the stuff that I don't want to. But or sometimes I don't even need. For example, this thing is Smart Express. I don't know what that is. So that is the first option that they have here. Wait, I also want to mention that you guys can actually, if it is useful for you guys can switch the places, the orders of the functions that you guys think should be on the top or should be at the bottom, for example. So now let's go to other options. Let's see what we have here. It says there's desktop style. So when you select on it, there are two styles. So the first one is the normal style, the style that I am using right now, and the another one is called drawer style. The normal style we have, I would say it is very similar to iPad. If you guys have used iPad before, it is just like that. It's similar to iPad OS, and the drawer style is normally what you guys would see in a regular Android phone. So to show you guys what it's like now, let's just put it on, turn it on, and what we have here, so we have something like the normal style on top like this, and except we have this thing too. So basically the what you guys are seeing here, the pages here, are the pages that we want to have on the screen. So it's not meaning that if you remove an app here, that would not mean you have uninstalled the app. It's just a shortcut. So basically these are shortcuts and the real apps are actually inside here. So that means you don't need to display all the apps that are um, installed, or yeah, that are downloaded and installed on your tablet. You can, if you have this option on, you can just put any shortcuts of the apps that you want to show. And while the other apps that are on your phone, or sorry, on your tablet, they will be seen here once you swipe up like that. So personally, I would not like to hide my apps just like that. I would like to show it. I do like the iPad OS style, so I would just keep it at the normal style here. Okay, and then another one below this, it says change home screen layout. Once you click on it, we got two options here, the 5x4 and the 6x4. So so when you click on a 5x4, for example, you can just see it just switched quickly, very quickly at the moment ago from the six apps here to just five. You mean, so now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are only 5. And now if we switch it back to the 6x4, there we go, we got 6. So that is basically just it, and it's up to our preferences. Actually, everything here is designed for fitting to our preference. It's not being fixed like an Apple device. And now the next one is light up to open global search. What that do is that now that one was turned on already. So what it does is when we swipe up, it would bring up this thing. It's basically something that you would find when you swipe down in a iPad OS. But this one, it's just swipe up. It's that a little bit different than the iPad OS. And then you can search for the apps that you want. Then it would appear here. There we go. Also, it would suggest some other apps that you might be interested. For that option, personally, I would just turn it off because I don't like having Chinese letters all over my tablet. The next option, or the next setting that we got here is display notification in app menu. I'm not very sure what that is, so I'm gonna leave it for you guys to figure it out by yourself. If you guys have any hypothesis, just leave it in comments so that our viewers can probably guess what that is. If you guys are true, then it would just help them out. App update reminder. So if there's an app um, an update available for the app, then we would know that it is available. Display recommended apps in drawer. So I'm not very sure what that is. So this is the drawer here. Probably that's what they mean, but I don't see anything down here. So I guess that's it for today. For now, I think I might do another video like right now. So stay tuned, I guess.